Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 185. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches to show you in this episode that are selling well right now. So my goal is to increase your sales in the very near term, and then next week we're going to have a forward-looking episode to help get you established in advance for some big upcoming trends. So let's get to it. I wanted to quickly remind you that I put together a single source with all the best Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals for print-on-demand sellers. That's linked at the top of the description. I hope you'll check it out. So let's do a quick Amazon merch sales update for inspiration. In the last 7 days, I made 549 total sales, $1,681 of profit in the US market, and about another maybe $500 of profit from the international markets. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I post daily sales updates. That'll be linked in the description. All right, let's look at the top 10 best-selling products with the big brands filtered out. All right, this is what it looks like. A lot of, well, I'd say evergreens, and then you've got the Grinch giving the middle finger here. Do not sell anything with the Grinch on it, by the way. So that means anybody listening to the podcast version, I'm pointing to a green hand with the Christmas outfit on. Hopefully everybody knows what the Grinch is. Steer clear of that because there's definitely a couple Grinch themed shirts that trickle their way up the ranks, but it's just way too risky for Amazon merch. And then besides that though, you can see all of the Thanksgiving products have been filtered out. The BSRs are climbing. Nobody's buying them anymore. Put them on ice for another year and set your sights towards Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, niche number 1, and again, our goal this week is to make as many sales in the near term as possible. If you're in the low tiers especially, you want to be where the most eyeballs are, and that's going to be in the Christmas niche, literally. So niche number 1 is, it's too hot. All right, those are the keywords that I searched, and you can see the results here. They say, this is my It's Too Hot for Ugly Christmas Sweaters shirt. And there's a bunch of different ways to approach the design aspect. So regardless of your preferred design style, I think this is definitely approachable. And I wanted to shout out my Kittle Christmas sweater design tutorial. I can link that in the YouTube cards right here, where I walk you through how to make a really nice looking Christmas design, which will be applicable to everything you see in this video. All right, niche number 2 this week is going to be sleep under the tree. Those are the keywords that I searched to get these results. Okay, you don't actually need to type into the search bar every single piece of text in a design, but the designs themselves say, might as well sleep under the tree, because we all know I'm the gift in the family. And I actually really like the way that the very first design is set up. It's got the word tree in the text in the design, right? Might as well sleep under the tree. And they structured the design so that all the text formed a Christmas tree, right? So it's invoking the thought of a Christmas tree when you look at the design before you even read it, and the text in the design has tree in it, right? To me, it's just kind of design 101, except for it's a little bit more advanced, right? It's not exactly base level, but I really like how they did that there. When it comes to Christmas designs, I mean, again, we're on niche number 2. We've already seen so many different approaches. Even the second bestseller right there, it's simply white text on a red shirt. Guys, sometimes that's all people want. I feel like I preach about this all the time. Like, I'm not a good designer, but I can make designs that sell. You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to necessarily appeal to everybody buying something, but I might appeal, with my limited design ability to the people that just want a text-only version. And I'll take those sales. I'll take them all day, all right? By the way, quick PSA. If you're on Amazon merch and you have unfilled upload slots right now, please fill them. You know what I mean? Every time you don't fill your upload slots, I feel like a little Christmas angel loses its wings or something. And that was meant to be a sad joke, but come on now. Fill your upload slots. An unfilled upload slot yields 0 sales 100% of the time. So please upload something, even if it's a simple text-only design. Look at the design over there in the number 2 spot. Again, it's just white text on a red shirt. And they have a BSR of 86,000. They're locking in regular sales. All right, why can't that be you? Niche number 3 this week. Before we get to niche number 3, guys, please check out my free email mini course linked at the top of the description, and check out my print-on-demand Facebook community linked at the top of the description. A great place to network with other like-minded sellers. So niche number 3 is I do it for the hose. And you can see there is definitely a theme in terms of the design. All right, you've got Santa, you've got white Santa, you've got black Santa. I just noticed that 3 of them are black Santa. So, I mean, if that factors in at all to your design style, or honestly, if you have multiple upload slots, why not upload multiple, right? Get Asian Santa in there. We've seen Asian Santa in previous years be a part of trending designs. So I'm just saying, take a clue from the best sellers. This is why I use tools like Podly, which, by the way, Podly is included on the Black Friday deals list and Cyber Monday deals list. If you want to lock in the best rate available right now, this is literally the best time of year to do that. So that's going to be linked in the description as well. But how about also for your designs, check out Creative Fabrica. Of all the best Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, they are, in my opinion, the best bet, the best bang for your buck. You can literally join if you get the annual plan for, I think it was like $3.99 a month. And that unlocks access to their graphics, their fonts, their tools, the AI suite. I mean, everything, guys. And they're constantly adding new stuff. That's linked in the description. Niche number 4 is going to be due to inflation. All right, those are the search terms I searched. And the designs say, due to inflation, this is my ugly Christmas sweater. Due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume, Thanksgiving shirt, and ugly Christmas sweater. So we saw these kind of become popular maybe a year or two ago, and I think they're still pretty popular. I mean, look at the BSRs. These are only going to increase as well in terms of sales velocity as we get into December, and everybody switches from thinking about Thanksgiving to thinking about Christmas. Niche number 5 is Christmas Biden. By the way, this is my favorite opportunity of all of them. I just feel like, I mean, as evidenced by the BSRs too. I mean, I don't even need to see the BSRs to know that this is probably going to be your best bet from everything that we talked about, because it's a little bit less generic. You know, a lot of these earlier niches that we covered, not that they're not selling, but you can really get like get a laugh out of a funny Biden. You know what I mean? Merry 4th of Easter is the #1 bestseller with a 3,900 BSR. The next one says Make Christmas Great Again, and it's Trump giving the thumbs up. The next one, Biden, Merry Trick or Treat. Next one, Merry Happy you know the thing. 2 words, Happy 4th of Easter. So I mean, there's a lot of different spins. There's another one behind me here. I didn't even notice that one until just now, with some, you know, politicians. I don't really get into politics, guys, so you know what I mean. It's not my thing. But just wait till 2024 and everybody will get all charged up again, and it'll, you know, hopefully it's not going to be like it was in 2020, but either way, whatever. Anyways, people are buying these, and as sellers, we should take note and we should cater to that demand. I mean, these have by far the average lowest BSR of any of the niches that we talked about. So niche number 5, Christmas Biden. Also, when you're doing your keywords, don't forget to mix in like Christmas 2023 Joe Biden sweater. You know what I mean? Funny Joe Biden Christmas sweater 2023, etc. That's a nice way of just differentiating yourself in terms of like what keywords the algorithm associates with your listings from everybody that was selling previously in previous years. Okay? Little tip there. Emerging trends. These are designs that are outperforming their 30-day average BSR. The #1 shirt there says Love Hurts, XOXO Philly. Of course, it is a play on words for their quarterback, Jalen Hurts. So definitely do not sell anything like that. We can see a Minnesota Vikings reference up there, the Skull Vikings. We've got Rick and Morty. I don't know. There's just a lot on here that you got to steer clear of. Always do your research. Just because you see a trending design in these search tools does not mean that they're safe, and you got to be safe with your Amazon merch account. You should be safe with all your accounts, but Amazon merch especially. Looking ahead, so here are some trends about a month out. We've got December 26th, Kwanzaa, December 27th, National Fruitcake Day, December 28th, Card Playing Day, December 29th, Pepper Pot Day, and December 30th is Bacon Day. Love me some bacon. Here's the archive. Let's take a look at bestsellers from about 11 months ago. Honestly, I don't think the archive is updated, so these are just generic, but there should be more Christmas shirts mixed in, but also just kind of showing you that a lot of evergreens were selling well, as you would expect. You know what I mean? Just kind of the cream rises to the top in terms of popular evergreen designs. We got a lot of anime, some cat shirts, etc. Removed designs. So here are some designs that were removed in the last 2 weeks, either by the creator or by Amazon. So take a quick peek at that. Could just be people freeing up space for some new uploads. All right, guys, thank you for watching. By the way, my print-on-demand course linked in the description is 20% off for Black Friday, so I hope you will consider joining. It walks you through step-by-step exactly how to start, scale, and automate your print-on-demand business as I did my own, which involves planting multiple seeds, watering them to create passive income streams. No outlier success is required. For me, and I make 6-figure passive income profits every year since 2019. I did it while working 2 jobs, so if I can do it, I know you can. And my private community also linked down there. If you want to work directly with me, we do multiple live streams a week. We have awesome guests. It's a great time. It's linked in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you next week with a forward-looking episode where we cover some 2024 big trending niches. You're not going to want to miss that one.